What are you doing? What are you doing? Isa style dance. Once more, Isa. Isa, baby, once more. Look, what is happening? Barish, it's raining.
Out today. Miss Monica is raining out today.
Isa, look here. It's raining and Isa is enjoying.
Raining day.
Oh, righty. Wow, look, Isa.
Funny day. मैं बारिश तो मार रही हूँ.
बारिश को कैसे मार सकते हैं? See, Isa, wow, माशाल्लाह. कितना मजा आ रहा है. Oh, what happened today, Isa, in the sky?
People were safe. The fire was around, and they were high and high and high, and everyone was trapped. And again, and they were safe on the fire.
Okay.
They were happy.
Okay.
With the fire was coming back.
So finally, people were
Good.
saved.
Saved and good.
And Isa is Isa happy now?
Yes.
Okay.
Very.
So today's morning started with some laughter. How do you laugh?
Baby.
So Isa is going to tell us who are her best friends. Baddie is Daddy. And Mom is? So now let us know who are you? Who are your best friends?
Baby.
It's a funny morning. Do you want to say something?
Baby.
Is that what you want to say?
Yeah.
Oh.
One more time, please.
Okay, say it.
Baby.
पूरी बात पहले सुन लीजिए. Daddy is fighting with me.
Daddy बहुत बदमाश है.
तो मैं क्या करूं?
आप काम नहीं करो.
मैं क्या नहीं करूं?
आप तो दोनों. आप बहुत बदमाश हो दोनों.
But he is fighting with me.
नहीं जाओ यहाँ से
दोनों को क्यों डांटेंगे आप? डैडी को डांटे?
आप तो मार पार दो दोनों.
मुझे क्यों दोनों को क्यों मारेंगे? मैंने I didn't do anything. He is fighting with me.
No, I will fight with you.
And go say it to your daddy. Hey, what are you doing here? Hey, ये मोबाइल किससे पूछ के लिया आपने? Hey, look here. मोबाइल किससे पूछ के लिया है? चले मोबाइल वापस करें. मोबाइल वापस करें.